Hey everybody, alright, so I'm here at the QVB down in Sydney and I'm looking at these retailer stores, right? People spend a bucket load of money on rents. In fact, there was something recently about Westfield shopping centres having ridiculous amounts of money in rent, and I guarantee some of these stores right here, like this store here, the Art of Zeus, Dr. Zeus, would probably be spending about $5,000-6,000, at least $5,000. I would say this is the QVB, right? A week in rent, right? Westfield is seriously in trouble because people are spending. Look down here. Look how incredible this is right here. Look down here. You can see all the shops here, right? Each one is paying a ridiculous, again, crazy amount of money in rent. Now, if you sell on Amazon, guess what the rent is, right? It's $45 a month. $45 a month in Australian, right? $45 a month compared to this. Now, you could have just as much stock as this store down here, Gorman, does, right? You can have just as much stock as the Swarovski crystals or the store down there or the rod and gun store over there, just as much stock, yet they're paying thousands of dollars a week in rent and you're paying $45. I would personally pay the $45, right? So you could sell pretty much exactly the same thing. You might not be able to sell Swarovski crystals, right? But you could be a clothing store, you could sell kitchenware, you could sell pet clothes, you could sell pet products, baby products, you could sell the whole thing. You could sell just as many products as they do. You could sell and stock just as many as they do, right? You can pretty much have exactly the same profit margins, right? You don't have to undercut, right? You have exactly the same profit margins, yet your rent is $45 a week. And this is really, I think, the future of what's happening, right? Everyone's going online these days. Everyone is rather spending more online for convenience. And it's not just convenience. It's just like, it's sometimes it is cheaper, but a lot of it is convenience. They can click a button and they have free delivery, either second day or same day delivery. But here, you've got to come, you got to park downstairs. You're competing with like the school zones, right? You got to go in there. You got to basically talk to sometimes rude salespeople who don't know how to sell, right? They're rude. They ignore you, right? But here on Amazon, right? You click a button, it gets delivered. It is convenient. It's also, I got to say, sometimes a better shopping experience. So rather than coming here to the store. So, guys, Amazon really it's one of the platforms out there. I don't just teach Amazon, right? I do teach you how to find products, but also it's about finding good quality products and being multi-platform, all right? So rather than just being stuck in one store down here, right? What I teach is more about being on Amazon, eBay, having your own web e-commerce store, being on Etsy, have a Facebook, Instagram page, promoting your products, all right? That is the key. That's how you build a product empire. Enjoy the day.